Next, let's take a look at the other person in this scenario, the sales associate. With Microsoft's Power Platform, you can create seamless handoffs between the customer's online experiences and in-field teams. The Power Platform consists of Power BI to help you analyze business insights, Power Apps to help take next best actions, and Microsoft Flow to help automate business processes. The Power Platform is at the heart of Microsoft's business applications ecosystem, which is built on Azure and enables you to connect all of Microsoft's platforms using a drag and drop user interface. It utilizes the Common Data Service, which is a data lake with a shared schema that enables you to a single view of customers across the ecosystem. LinkedIn, which helps turn your relationships into revenue, Office 365 for modern collaboration, and Dynamics 365 for business applications, mixed reality, and AI. Microsoft's AI is infused throughout the entire ecosystem, and with 64,000 partners, there are solutions tailored for every industry. With Azure and the Power Platform, you can collect data from over 200 sources and build a single view of the customer. Together, they empower associates and create engaging customer experiences. Let's take a look. Our sales associate uses a purpose-built Power App and receives a summary of the customer and the item they're interested in before the appointment starts. It also uses the rich customer profile we've built in Dynamics 365 from online and in-store data to drive intelligent recommendations on other relevant products for the customer to consider. Thank you for watching. If you found this informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Business Applications YouTube. There you will find more videos on customer success, Dynamics 365, the Power Platform, and Microsoft AI. To navigate there directly, visit aka.ms/businessapplications YouTube.